Guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to get a 5k instant funded account. Okay, so the 5k instant funded account is used for you can trade and also draw your profit. So the profit is 100% split, so they won't take anything. So once you just trade any profit that you make, you can withdraw your profit instantly. Okay, so I'll be dropping the link at the description box of this video. So just click the link. It's going to bring you to this page right here where you're going to sign up and create your account. Okay, first of all, just click at this accept, then click this create one, so to create your account. Okay, so these are your details. You're going to fill your full name, your email, your password, and confirm password. Then you're going to click the verification button right here to verify that you are a human, and then click the registration button. So I'll just register my account, then I'll continue the video shortly. Okay, so for this one, I won't send any code to your email. So once you just register your account, click the registered button, then you just come here and then log in your details. So log in into your account. Okay, so right now we have done register an account, and then I've logged in my account. Okay, so the second step is to show you how to get the funded account, the 5k instant funded account. Okay, so once I just click this button right here, then click this. Okay, so before I forgot, and with the funded account you need to accumulate points before you can get the account. So there are some tasks you need to perform, then you accumulate some points which you use to purchase the funded account. Okay, so once I click this accumulate points, and then you can see right here said point to be claimed. So you have almost 2,730 points which you can claim. Okay, so to claim the point, just hit the start button, tax button, then scroll down. You're going to see the tax you need to complete, and then the points you are going to earn for completing the tax. So as you can see right here, this is to join their Telegram channel. You're going to earn 40 points. Here the Twitter channel, going to retweet and comment on their Twitter post, you're going to earn 440 points. And then we have so many tasks which you can complete. So the points you are going to earn totally, if you complete all the tasks, that's 2,730 points. Okay, then click at the reward here to see these are the reward to see the account. So you see the first one here, the 10k free 10k 3-step challenge. To claim you need 700 points. So once you complete some tasks and you reach 700 points, you can claim this 3-step 10k account. And we have this 25k 3-step account, this 100 points, and so on. So these are not the main thing. We are here, we're going to down to so right here as you can see, this is the 5k instant account. So as you can see here, it's a free instant pro 5k account. So to get this account you need 700 points also. So once you complete some tasks and then you earn up to 700 points, you can just come here and click this button right here, and you get funded with the 5k instant account. So in this account, anything you like, any trade you take, each profit you just got, you can withdraw your profit automatically. You can just withdraw your profit immediately. So and you can click the view here to there's nothing. So right now they are out of stock. So the 5k account is not available for now. So but if you accumulate 100 points, you can also get this 10k account. It's also a instant profit. So it's a instant funded account. So this, you need 1000 points to get this account, and also we have this 25 instant. You need 1500 points to get this account, and the account is available till 31st of December. That's end of this year. That's when the accounts are going to expire. So guys, you can just click the link, register your account, and then come to these tags, click the accumulate point, and then click once you're in the accumulate point, then scroll down and complete some tags to accumulate points so that you can get your funded account. Okay, so these are the testimony of people that got the account and also placed a withdrawal from the account. So these are the testimony on the screen showing you right now, and you can come to their leaderboard here to see people that are leading in the Profem account, people that place their withdrawal and receive their withdrawal. So as you can see right here, these are the top 10, I think. These are the top 10 people that are leading in the Profem challenge. So as you can see right here, these are their names and their country. As you can see, Nigeria here, we have someone from Nigeria right here. This is the 6th person, I think, Yusuf, right? So you can just click the link, register your account and get funded with your account, accumulate points, get an account, and start trading to receive your payout. So guys, that's all for now. See you in my next video. Peace.